For this lesson, I'll show you how to write expressions, and we'll take a look at numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. Alright, let's take a look at numerical expression. Basically, it's just a mathematical phrase where you have numbers and operation symbols, but you don't have any letters or variables. So, for example, I can have three plus 2, right? That's an easy example of a numerical expression, right? It's consisting of just numbers, right? There's no letters involved. Or you can have another example, 2 times 5 squared minus 1. That's another example of a numerical expression, right? Or you can have something like this, 12 minus 3, 7 minus 1, right? So all of these are examples of numerical expressions, right? Now let's take a look at algebraic expressions, right? Now these are mathematical phrases, right, that have letters or variables. So for instance, you can have something like 3x plus 5, right? Because you have the x, right, the symbol that stands for a changing number, right? So that makes it an algebraic expression, right? But it's still an expression, right? Or you can have something like maybe 2y minus 1 squared or something like that, right? That's another algebraic expression, right? And why is that? It's because of the variable y, right? Because that letter makes it a makes it an algebraic expression, right? You have another one here. You can have something like 3 minus 12p, right? Again, because of the p, it makes it an algebraic expression. Alright, let's just say we have a word phrase, right? We have something like 25 more than a number, let's call it n, right? A number n. Now, how can we convert this into an algebraic expression, right? So the key there is the letter n, right? That's the variable, and we have that quantity 25 here, right? So the expression that we have to write, the algebraic expression, will consist of the n, right? You know, there's some number n plus the 25, right? So this is the algebraic expression, right from here. Alright, let's take a look at another example. What if I write out the difference between 12 and 5, right? So the key word here is difference. right? That indicates subtraction. So for this particular example, it'll just be 12 minus 5. So this is the expression written out from the word phrase up here. Okay. Now, what if you have something like the product of 8 and n, right? So the keyword here is product, and that implies multiplication. So we have 8 times n. So this algebraic expression represents this word phrase here. Okay. Right. And one more example. What if you have, oops, where's that? Say we have quotient of a number n and 7, right? So the key word here is quotient, right? So whenever you see that, you're thinking of division, right? Division. So here we have n divided by 7, or you can write that as a fraction, n over 7. Okay. Alright, let's try some more challenging word phrases. Let's say we have a product of 5 and the sum of a number, oops, x and 3. Right, so we have product of 5 and the sum of a number x and 3. Alright, let's take care of that one first. So we have product, so that's going to be multiplication, 5 times, right, let's put parentheses around here. Now we'll take a look at what's inside the brackets here, right? Sum of a number x and 3, so that's addition, right? Take the x plus the 3, right? So this algebraic expression represents the word phrase here. Okay, let's try another example. What if we write out nine less than the quotient of 8 and a number x, right? So 9 less than the quotient of 8 and a number x. So let's pick out, right, less than, okay, less than what? The quotient of 8 and a number x. So So 9 less than, so we know it's going to be subtract 9 from what? Well, the quotient of a number 8 and a number x. So we can think of quotient, so that's going to be division of 8 and a number x. So we'll put 8 in the numerator and x in the denominator. Alright, so this expression here represents this phrase. Okay.